Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're watching me from. My name is Engineer David, a project control specialist and also a planning engineer. Okay, let me just walk us through this dashboard I created using this data here, extracted from my Primavera P6. Here we have the spreadsheet of estimate to complete, the hours against the time. we are all allocated to this estimate to complete spreadsheet field. Also, end value, labor units spreadsheet. Likewise, the same thing, hour against the time allocated to this end value labor units. Also, this actual labor units, the same thing was replicated. Remaining the baseline, okay, the baseline, which is the budgeted labor units. You can see the data is all messy. Also, the lookup, we have the activity name and the area, sub area, let me see, it's about 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so sub areas, and also we have the discipline, about 3 discipline, mechanical. So what I did pretty much was to just append. I used the append function and also the merge query in my Power BI to achieve my all data, this all data set you're seeing here, appended and also merge. Then the measures I use in creating this dashboard are advanced measures, referencing what has already been, all the data. This data here represents, this data here represent what is in these spreadsheets. So just this line up. So this data here, all data sets represent what is the spreadsheet. Then from this program measures are all measures I programmed, and then they are all advanced measures, believe me. So pretty much, let's just look at the discipline. Discipline, about 3 disciplines there: mechanical, piping, and structure. Then for the areas, 1, 2, 3, 4. I guess 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4. Okay, so let's look at the areas. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see that. So let me show you how interactive this dashboard is. Okay. You see. Okay. I'm not going to explain this in detail, but it's just to show you how effective Power BI is. You see. All right. What I did here was a conditional formatting, and then go back to the. All right. So let me check these KPIs. Okay. So this selected sub area was also programmed. So each time I select any, like let's say from this sub area, I select this, let's see, sub area for me. Now showing me that I'm selecting 22521. Right, if I choose this one also, shows me that I'm selecting this area. It was programmed, and look at the